Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am trying out glitter goals, NYX glitter goals. They're glitter eyeshadows. I thought I would try them out and tell you whether these are worth your money. I saw these at ULTA. You guys can see they are deliciously beautiful looking, but are they worth your dollar? I don't know. Let's go ahead and just jump to that video and see. Okay guys, so you guys can see I already have my eyeshadows on. Let's pop these bad boys right on top. Let's go ahead and take this like green. I actually thought it was aqua when I first picked it up, but it looks more green. It has like green and aqua colors to it. Wow, that is a lot of product that came off. Let me go ahead and just swatch all of them on my arm really quick and see if they stay that pigmented. Look at that. Wow. Okay, so let's just swatch on the hand. Okay, so that's how they swatch. So they are going to be like broken up. I'm thinking that, let me go back with the green. I'm thinking when we apply them, we're going to have to apply them like this. Kind of like, well, I don't know. That's kind of, look, it's totally stuck on my finger. I was gonna say I have to pat them down, but that didn't help any bit more. Let's see, pat. No, let me try it with a brush really quick before I put it on my eyes. You can see it's like sporadic on the brush as well. Let's go ahead and try right next to it. It's just like random. Let's just go ahead and put it on top of this shadow and see what it looks like. It looks fantastic on the finger, but it just doesn't come off. Okay, so let me just go ahead and pat this on. Oh, shoot. It's doing the same thing on the eye. Look at that, how it has just like a big chunk right there. And a lot is still stuck on my finger. Let me get a brush and see if I can clear up the chunk. Okay guys, I just don't like it. Look at this. So like I'm trying to clear up the chunk and it just became, I don't know, it's all clustered right there in the corner, and I'm trying to get this brush to move the product and it's just not moving it around like I need it to. Let me get my finger again. I think I might have just messed up my whole eyeshadow look. Now I will say it's really pretty. Look at that. It's pretty as far as like the glitter. It's hitting the light and just being very reflective. But it is a chunky. Just put more on, I guess, to kind of even out the chunkiness. Okay, so obviously these are supposed to go over colors that are similar because they do have transparency. Like when I rubbed it on my hand, you guys can see like it has to have a color underneath it. You have to say that it is actually really pretty. I just like very much how, like I said, it chunks in certain areas and not in others. But I think because there's a color that's similar to that color under it, you can't really tell as much that it's like not evenly distributed.